That is fucking rad as fuck. No one! Behind me, Honda! And that guy turned in his left. Oh, he's sitting at green right there. Wow. No, he's trying to merge into the straight lane and holding up people. They got a green light and they can't get around him. Well, there he goes. Wow. And dummies in the woodwork. There we go. What the fuck was that?
The white people don't even be calling black people nigga no more, especially when there's niggas around, so I guess I wouldn't know it.
Did all that without signaling.
Well, at least we can't.
Well, you're close to him. That's secured. Oh my god. Yeah, this is gonna suck. Thank you for giving the guy room. That's why we don't block intersections, children.
I'm digging, I'm searching right through that luggage.
That is fucking rad as fuck. Come on, guys. Good luck with that. Oh, you're doing one of those. Fuck, man. Why are you yelling at me? Oh, what?
Dropping yeah. Once again. It don't stop.
Oh, now you see. Yeah, pull out right in front of me. Thank you very much. You're kind of taking up both lanes, dude. Another red light. They're just going to keep going.
He certainly never read the work of any actual scientist. For example, Babu Ranganathan was
clearly
not a doctor.
Passing the guy? Yeah. Why would you do that? Hey, ran red lights. And you're just gonna roll through the goddamn stop sign. What the hell's that guy doing? Let the ring go.
Rational people believe in things like gods and magic.
Try to build something.
Stay on your
anything
side.
From nothing. Even.
No, 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 don't, no! Oh! Another one passing using that lane. Everyone's doing it now. Oh, what? You try to cut around everybody? You're gonna try to cut around everybody. Please let that be a sign that he's giving up. Keep going. You're in a straight lane. Come on. What the fuck? Damn, people don't give a shit. Hey, no headlights.
And provide a reasonable estimate of time such that we know that
You're going, it's still red. You can't even see the damn light.
And she lived
wow.
years ago.
Son of a bitch. And you're just gonna run. And you're gonna run.
Okay,
right
go ahead.
Line. Go, go.
There's also the scenario of a guy came into my house and I thought he was just there because he was start looking for my friend, but did some harm. Once somebody enters a house like that, you can't.
Yep, we agree.
Where are you going?
In that case, we would say, in hindsight, it's unfortunate.
Oh, wait. I gotta take the turnpike. Oops.
You done messed up, AA Ron!
Yeah, he doesn't have he has to stop. I know. Just gonna run that red light. That Jeep. What are you stopping for? Go! Ah, double white. That's just done. You suck. No turn signal. Oh! Oh! What do that for? Wow. Blew right through a stop sign.
It's okay! I'm a limo driver!
Whoa, whoa! Oh my god. Read the signs! Right through the stop sign. Hey! Fuck, man. You were going straight, that was one thing. You've got to be kidding. Oh, what? Oh my god, now what? What are you doing? You're so fucking stupid. And BMW goes over the white line.
Rescue what you and when it flips out because I grabbed the remote too quickly, I can flick it off the goddamn table or something, you know? So, we got it for a week. We got it for a week, and then we make a decision.
H to the N-O, B to the N-A. That's the anthem. Get your damn N-O, B to the N-A.
Wow.
Not guilty. Y'all
Damn, New Jersey driver.
H to
What are you doing? Nissan drivers.